Students, in this class we will discuss some problems on the trigonometry again. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿ ಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸಿ ಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಓಕೆನಾ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಫ್ sin x is equal to 3/5, cos y is equal to -12/13, where x and y lies in the second quadrant, find the value of sin x plus y ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Is it clear? So this is a given problem, okay na. So let me write the formula first. So sin x plus y ಗೆ formula ಏನು? sin x plus y, what is the sin x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So this is a formula. Is it clear? So sin x and cos y is already given. You want to find the value of cos x and sin y. ಈ cos x sin y ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ sin x and cos y. ಸರಿನಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿರಿ. sin x is equal to 3/5. Is it? sin x is equal to 3/5. Here this is a x angle. So here sin x is equal to 3/5 means opposite by hypotenuse. Is clear? You want to find the adjacent side. So what is the adjacent side? By using the Pythagoras theorem, the adjacent side will become 2. Is it clear? Sorry, it is 4. Okay, na? The adjacent side is 4. Now what is the cos x is equal to? Cos x is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos x is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. X lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. Cos x is equal to -4/5. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿಲಿ, sin x is equal to 3/5 ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ cos x. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ cos x ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಸೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ hypotenuse. Now what is the adjacent side is? The adjacent side is by using the Pythagoras theorem ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Is it clear? Now since x lies in the second quadrant, it will become negative. Okay na? Now cos y is equal to 12/13. Cos y is equal to 12/13, -12/13. Now this is a y angle. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is a 12, this is the 13. So minus ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ sin y. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ sin y is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So here y lies in which quadrant? Y lies in second quadrant. Since y lies in the second quadrant, it is a positive. It is a positive. Now sin x, so consider this formula. Sin x plus y is equal to, consider once again, this is equal to, what is the sin x is? Sin x is 3/5. Sin x is 3/5. What is the cos y? -12/13 plus cos x is, what is the cos x is? -4/5. sin y is 5/13. Okay na? Now what is the, multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So here 12 3 is 36, minus 36/65 plus, so here 5 4 is 20, minus 20/13 5 is 65. Here the denominator is same, add the numerator. So simplify the numerator. Minus 36 minus 20, minus 36 minus 20 is minus 56/65. So this is the value of the sin x plus y. Is it clear? Is it okay? Once again I am repeating, just listen here. If sin x is equal to 3/5 and cos y is equal to -12/13, where x and y lies in the second quadrant, find the value of sin x plus y. And this is a given question. What is the sin x plus y is? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now they given sin x and cos y. Sin x and cos y is given. You want to find the value of cos x sin y. To find the value of cos x sin y, we make use of this sin x and cos y. Sin x is equal to 3/5, opposite by hypotenuse. So to write the cos ratio, we need adjacent side. What is the adjacent side is 4. So cos x is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. Now cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13. Here 12 by 13 adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side is 5. Sin y is equal to 5 by 13. Since y lies in the second quadrant, it is the positive. Now sin x plus y is equal to sin x is 3 by 5 into cos y is minus 12 by 13 plus minus 4 by 5 into 5 by 13. 13 5 is 65. So 12 3 is 36 minus 36 minus 20 by 65. The denominator is same. Simplify the numerator, we will get minus 56 by 65. So this is the value of sin x plus 5. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now we will go for the next question. So in the next question, so you want to find the value of tan pi by 8. You want to find the value of tan pi by 8. So here, let me take this pi by 8 as x. X is equal to pi by 8. X is equal to pi by 8. If the x is pi by 8, what is the 2x? 2 pi by 8. Correct? Means 2 4 is 8. So this will become 2x is equal to pi by 4. 2x is equal to pi by 4. Now we know that the formula ಏನಂತ tan 2x formula. What is the tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Here 2x is what? Pi by 4. Andre let me substitute 2x as pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 2 tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Okay na? Now I am taking this tan pi by 8 as t. Tan pi by 8 as t. Okay na? ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕೆ tan pi by 4 is what? 1. 1 is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. Now I am multiplying this denominator to n here. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus t square is equal to 2t. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now what is the factors for this? Okay na, 2 square plus 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. What are the factors? So what are the factors for this? So we can't find the factors for this. So there is ಇವಾಗ 2t ಗೆ ನೀವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 2t ಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is a formula to solve the quadratic equation. Here what is a is 1, b is 2, c is again minus 1. Now this is equal to what? In place of x what we have? T. So t is equal to minus b means minus 2 plus or minus root of b square means 2 square. What is 2 square is 4 minus a into c. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So 4 into a is 1, b is minus 1 by 2 into what is a is 1. Here 1 into minus 1 minus 1, e minus minus plus means t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of e minus minus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 1 are 2 means what is the t is? T is tan pi by 8. So the value of tan pi by 8 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 8 by 2. So this is the value of tan pi by 8. Is it clear? Is it okay? So once again I am repeating, just listen here. So here x is what? Pi by 8. What is the 2x is? Pi by 4. We know that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Here tan pi by 4 is equal to 2 tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. What is the tan pi by 8 is? T. So 1 is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. So multiply this denominator to this side. 1 minus t square is equal to 2t. Minus t square ikkade bandre 2 square plus 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we can't find the factors for this. So we can't solve this equation. So to solve this equation we are using the formula. E formula use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here on comparing, what is the a is 1, b is 2, c is minus 1. I am substituting the a, b, c values. So when substituting and when simplifying, we get the value of tan pi by 2 as minus 2 plus or minus root 8 by 2. Is it clear? Is it okay? So take a screenshot of this problem, copy to your notes. Students, now we will go for the next question. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x. Consider the formula cos 2x. What is the cos 2x is equal to? We can write the cos 2x in the 4 formula. Cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x as 2 cos square x minus 1. And again 1 minus 2 sin square x. And 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. ಈ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Is it clear? Now here we have a 4x. ಇದು 4x ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ you want to replace this x as 2x. Replace this x as 2x. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos of 2 into 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Is it clear? 2 2 ja 4x. So means cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 into, what is the formula for sin 2x? The sin 2x formula is 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Here you are applying the formula sin 2x. What is the sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 square is 4, 4 into sin square x into cos square x. So 4 2 ja 8 means cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So this is what the equation the given. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Is it clear? Is it okay? So once again I am repeating, just listen here. So cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. This is a given. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. cos 2x ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ 2x. ಎಕ್ಸ್ 2x ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4x. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿ ಆಮ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ 2x. cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. sin 2x, what is the formula? 2 sin x into cos x. So 2 sin x into cos x whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 square is what? 4. 4 sin square x into cos square x. 2 4 ja 8. So cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Is it clear? So take a screenshot of this problem, copy to your notes. Students, now we will go for the next problem. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x. So here also we are applying the formula. Consider tan 2x formula. What is the formula for tan 2x is equal to? Tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay na? Now tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. ಇವಾಗ tan 4x ಆಗಬೇಕಿರೋದು. So tan 4x means you want to replace this x as what? 2x. Replace x as 2x. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan 2 of 2x is equal to 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. 2 2 ja 4x means tan 4x is equal to 2 into, what is the tan 2x formula? We know that tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus tan 2x is again 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Is it clear? Now here 2 2 ja 4 ಅಂದರೆ tan 4x is equal to 2 2 ja 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Is it clear? Now I am taking a LCM of this one. So again ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Here 1 minus tan square x and 1 minus tan square x cancel. ಈ 1 minus tan square x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into this 1 minus tan square x reciprocal ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದರೆ 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by I am applying the formula a minus b whole square formula 1 minus tan square x whole square ಗೆ I am applying the a minus b whole square formula. What is the a minus b whole square formula? Is a square plus b square minus 2ab is it clear? So minus 4 tan square x na hange ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Here tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 square is 1 minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x is minus 6 tan square x. Tan square x whole square is tan to the power of 4x. Is it clear? So this is the proof. So this is what you want to prove. Is it clear? So this is what you want to prove. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Take a screenshot of this problem, copy to your notes. Once again I am repeating this problem. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿಲಿ. So consider tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Multiple angle formula apply ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Here we are replacing the x as 2x. We are replacing the x as 2x. Tan 2 of 2x is equal to 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Here 2 2 ja what 4x. Tan 4x is equal to, again we are applying the tan 2x formula as same 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Tan square 2x ಅಂದರೆ 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now 2 2 ja 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus 4 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now I am taking the LCM in the denominator. If you take the LCM in the denominator, 1 minus tan square x whole square is the denominator. So in the denominator, this term will come this side. 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. 1 minus tan square x and 1 minus tan square x cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? in the numerator and denominator this terms will be cancelled. ಈ 1 minus tan square x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. For this term, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, applied the a minus b whole square formula. a minus b whole square formula is a square, means a means what 1 square plus b square means tan square x whole square minus 2ab. ab means 1 into tan square x. Here minus 4 tan square x ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. In the denominator 1 square is 1. Here minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x is minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power of 4x. Is it clear? Is it okay? So this is of the tan 4x. Take a screenshot of this problem. So copy to your notes. Students, now we will go for the next question. So prove that sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. So this is what you want to prove. So let me take a left hand side first. Left hand side ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. LHS is equal to sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. Okay na? Now we will apply the formula for the transformation formula for these two terms first. Transformation formula apply madana. Sin 3x plus sin x, sin c plus d is a 2 sin 3x plus x by 2 into cos 3x minus x by 2 into sin x plus cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2 into cos x. What is the 3x plus x is 4x, 4x by 2 andre 2x. So this is equal to 2 into sin 2x by 2 means 4 sin 2x, 3x minus x is 2x andre 2x cos x into sin x minus 2 3x plus 4x is 2x, 2 sin 2x into 3x minus x is 2x, 2x by 2 andre sin x into cos x. Now here 2 sin x into cos x. What is this 2 sin x into cos x is? 2 sin x into cos x is sin 2x, means sin 2x into here 2 sin x into cos x is again sin 2x minus again here sin 2x. Here 2 sin x into cos x. What is 2 sin x into cos x is? Sin 2x. What is sin 2x into sin 2x minus sin 2x into sin 2x is? This is 0. This is equal to RH. Is it clear? Is it okay? So once again I am repeating, just listen here. Now we have taken the left hand side. After the left hand side we are applying the formula sin c plus sin d. What is the sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here we are applying the formula cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now 3x plus x is 4x by 2 andre 2x, 3x minus x into 2x, 2x by 2 is cos x. Now here 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2x into sin 2x minus sin 2x into sin 2x is 0, is equal to RHS. Is it clear? Is it okay? So take a screenshot of this and copy to your notes.